Hey guys, what's happening? Steve here from Green Outdoor Maintenance. I thought Old Man Winter was done, but here it is, April 28th. They're predicting 3 to 6 inches here in Denver, Colorado, and it is snowing like a banshee. So I'm gonna have to break out snow shovels in the blower tomorrow. Hope not, cause I don't want to shovel no more. But it's gonna be a very wet. It's already starting to stick to the grass over there. See that? So, cold out here on my patio. Anyway, I'm gonna get my patio cleaned up this weekend, but Mother Nature had other plans. I got so much crap on my patio. I got plywood over there, drywall there, wonderboard there, sink over there. Oh well, remodel my bathroom. I still ain't done with that. Should have been done, but lawn mowing came up. Anyway, so there's more of my snow shovels there. That's an old one I leave out here. My pool cover's sunken in from the weight of the wet snow. It is nasty out here. So I just want to let y'all know, you're all getting rain back Omaha and Missouri and Tennessee. We're getting snow down here in Colorado. Anyway, it is wet and yucky. Go out front, see what it looks like. Probably looks the same out front as it does out back. See, it's already starting to stick to the vehicle. I gotta get my trimmer out of the back of the truck. I left it in the trailer. Oh well. The snow's sticking there. I might have to shovel. Hope not. I just want to show you all it looks like. I'll put this with a video tomorrow morning when I go and see how much snow I got to shovel. Break out the snow blowers, break out the snow blowers, and break out the shovels. Anyway, I'll take it easy for now. Catch y'all later. Bye.
Yes, and I have been working hard on that snowman. I'll show you guys coming up in the full forecast. But right now, we want to get to what's happening now. Folks already want to know, when is this going to be done? Well, I have some good news. The heaviest amount of snow fell overnight. So the bulk of the snow that we're going to get, it's already on the ground. Additionally, here in the city, we can see maybe 1 to 2 more inches. But that snow will start to let up in the early afternoon hours, linger a bit longer in the foothills and to the south. So here's how much additional snow we could see. Standing out here starting to affect my speech. Northern Colorado, less than an inch through this evening. Same goes for northeastern Colorado. 1 to 2 here in the city. Still 2 to 4 and 2 to 5 in the foothills and over Monument Hill and the Palmer Divide. 1 to 3 inches, a possibility more for the high country. And currently that storm has just set up along I-25, southeastern Colorado out of the eastern plains. So it's currently spilling in northern New Mexico. So we're on the north side of this system, and those areas where you see those brighter purple colors is where we have the heaviest pockets of snow, and currently that is happening to the east of I-25. So again, we still have a few travel advisories in effect. Traveling to the south of I-70 in southern Colorado, that's where it's going to be the most difficult to travel through this afternoon. Highs today will be in the 30s. You factor in the wind, it's going to feel like temperatures in the 20s. So kind of a good day to just maybe snuggle on the couch and get some cooking on the stove. I'll take a look at what's in store for the rest of your weekend coming up in the full forecast.
Both sound like good plans to me, Belen. Thank you.
Dan Gross.
Hello YouTube. Steve here from Green Outdoor Maintenance. And Old Man Winter has rigged his ugly head again. Let's see. I got a good, probably 6 inches. It's not sticking to the roads too bad. And so I don't have to shovel anybody. But I am going to one of my customers' houses. She has a tree. I'm going very much snow shovel here. But she does have a tree. I can get my shovel out. Hold on a second. Okay, I didn't bury my shovel. It's buried in all my summer stuff anyway. So I got one of my customers called, and she wants me to come brush her bush tree off because she says it doesn't do good in the snow. So I'll go do that. And I'm doing this one-handed, so not too bad for a one-handed guy. Anyway, I'm gonna go brush her tree off. And then we're going to make me cheese. Buy me a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So, and they did get this snowstorm right for a change. Because usually they don't get the snow right. It either blows over us, or it just didn't develop, or it went south, it goes east, who knows. So, anyway, this is a nice, wet, sloppy snow. So, there's a nice, it's very wet and heavy, but it's not sticking everywhere. I better shut this out of the gutter. So, anyway, so I'm gonna go brush off this tree. I'll show you that, me getting all snowed out of the snowman. And Mickey D's give me a burger. Nah, not a burger. Bacon and cheese biscuits. Too early for hamburgers. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Not be on Monday. No, I think it's once the heat's up the next day. That's okay. I got caught up with 3 up behind again. Okay.
I know.
All right.
The farther ahead you get, the farther.
It seems like that here lately, yeah. All right. So I got that all done for my customer. And in my noisy car. Anyway, that's all done. She does have a couple broken branches in front of her. You can see out the window there. But she does have a couple broken branches. Anyway, time for me to go to Mickey D's and get me a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit and hash browns and a cup of coffee. I got my coffee there. I don't buy the McDonald's coffee. It's nasty crap. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Have a wonderful Saturday. I'll put it in the video I took last night when it started snowing. I might add a little bit to this video because when we brush off the tree, I'll have to edit part of that out because it's like 4 minutes long. I might just speed it up. What the hell? Anyway, talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.